Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2013 Nissan Juke and I will show you which fuses to check in case your radio is not powering up or if there is no sound coming from the speakers. This video will apply to Nissan Jukes made from 2011 all the way up to 2017. Now there is total of 2 fuses to check. One fuse will be located in a fuse box in the passenger's cabin and second fuse will be in a fuse box under the front hood. So like I said, the first fuse will be in a fuse box, which is right here, now on the left side of the dashboard. Now to remove this cover, you just have to pretty much pop it out. It's being held by a bunch of plastic tabs all around, so you can use a flat screwdriver or anything similar, or even try with your fingers if you can. The idea is to pop it out right all around. And then just pull it off. Okay. And on the back side of this cover you also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, and the fuse you want to check here, it's a fuse number F2, which is a 10 amp red fuse located just here. Okay, I'll try to zoom it in a bit as well. Okay, so this is the one right here. Second fuse box will be in a small fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here in front of the battery. Now to remove this cover, you have a small black tab here. Just want to press it and leave the cover up. And again, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. And here you want to check fuse number 6, which is a 20 amp yellow fuse located here, and this is actually your main radio fuse. Okay, hopefully one of these fuses will be burnt out, and just by replacing it that will fix your problem. If not, you'll have to dig a bit deeper and probably pull out the radio, check all electrical connections behind it, check all the wiring, and then possibly even replace the radio if all the wires prove to be good. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.